do the doodles. Dude, this sucks. I know, we're like the worst drawings ever made. Look at my arm. It's all cracked up. I mean, what's up with us? I just do not know. Look at my arm. It's like I'm stuck. I think we can only talk, but then there's like we're just like stuck. I don't know what's going on with this. What's happening? Whoa, whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We got faces! Yeah, yeah! I got face! Woohoo! Yeah, we got faces finally! Woohoo! What's this? What's this? I got hair, and I got propeller hat. Doodles from Little Western. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.